Hey guys, welcome to week 8. Can't believe we're already in week 8, but I also feel like it's been forever, so it should be more than week 8. Alright, so this is what we have going on this week. We're still working on percent of a number, and then we are done with this unit, which is exciting. We're going to do some geometry after this, and then just review for the rest of the year. So we only have like 5 weeks left, which is pretty crazy, but that's all we got going for us. So your goals for the week are to watch the entire video on slide 2, which is this video, read through the slideshow, attend the Zoom meeting Tuesday at 11:30. It's a separate grade. Notice that there's a change in time. Rather than it being 11 or 12, everybody's coming at 11:30. That's every week starting Tuesday. You're going to fill out a Google form. That's all about percent of a number. And then you're going to complete 2 BuzzMath activities. One's called calculating fractions, decimals, and percents, and one's called equivalent fractions and cross products. You're going to play Dreambox for 40 minutes, just like every other week, with 20 minutes on an assigned focus lesson, and that's a separate grade as well. This is where the video is going to go. This is optional extra credit. You get 1 point per correct row. I put an example here. If you get this row correct, you get a point. If you get this row correct, you get a point. You have the opportunity to get 8 extra credit points this week. So you could get 108 on this week's assignment. I want to know how you're feeling this week, so drop us a meme or write to us or post a picture on the slide. We miss you guys a lot. Hopefully this week isn't too bad. If you have any problems, just let us know. The Google form, it could be a little challenging, but you guys can do it. Just take it a step at a time. It's 20 questions. Some are easier than others. So I did leave all of them in there just because I think that you guys are more than capable. So take your time, work through it, and we will see you Tuesday at 11:30. We miss you, we love you, and we will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.